Hey everyone! As some of you might know, that the new Godzilla movie is out today, so I thought it would be fun to review this Godzilla 6-pack of figures. We'll take a look at the box. This is for the Godzilla 60th anniversary. It has Godzilla and some of his monsters, Mothra, all them. It's a cool little box with like the classic Godzilla. Wrecking some buildings, the city. Has the names of everyone on the back. Yeah. So this is a cool little display case, but I'm going to open it up for you guys and take a closer look. So I got them all out of the package. I'll start with Mechagodzilla. Take a close look at him. He's all silvery. Of course, he's the mech version of Godzilla. He has some yellow eyes. Pretty cool details. I like the miniature. They're cute. And then we have Mothra, who I think is really pretty, actually. Cool orange and yellows and gray. With a little bit of blue eyes. And it stands up really well. It's cool. So cute. Yep. I think that one's really pretty. The color combinations. And then we have Gigan. He has these cool fins and gold. He has the red eye. Awesome. Awesome. And then we have Godzilla. He has a purple tongue, pink, purple, and silver spikes, and yellow eyes. It's a cool pose. These are really cute little figures if you enjoy Godzilla. Or even if you don't, they're cool. And we have Destroya. He's all red. There's lots of wings. His tail. It's a little Barbie thing. Barb tail. And this horn. He's looking very angry. And last in the pack is King Ghidorah, which is my favorite, I think, because it's a cool three-headed dragon. It's all gold, red eyes. It has a split tail. Really cool little figure. I really like this pack. My favorites are Mothra and King Ghidorah. So, I guess happy Friday, happy Godzilla Day. Go see the movie. I'm looking forward to seeing it sometime soon, hopefully. And have a great day. Bye!